Alright, what I got for y'all today, a nice little Brinks deadbolt that couldn't help myself with again because it was on sale. Apparently a Pro Guard with advanced security and protection. Lifetime warranty. I don't know how that goes. Easy to install, yada yada. Heavy duty, allegedly. Let's break into it. Hope I don't find anything weird in here. The guy kept looking at me, I was like getting it. What do I got going on? Take the easy way out to do this. If I would have thought about it, I would have done this beforehand. But anyway, there we go. Nice bronze color, Walmart special. That piece. That piece. You get your ass over here, sit. There we go. We got some spare hardware for something. Oh, cool, it's got a kick in it. Neat. And there she is. Looking pretty good. Take y'all along the ride as I install on my nice little 3D printed block. Let's leave you on this guy. Destroy all my sets. There, good enough. Good enough. Alright, cool. What the hell's this? Huh, that's weird. Anyway. I even got like a little piece of red security tape on it. Neat, I guess. Let's see. How's my door set? Yeah, go in like that and we'll figure it out as we go. That is definitely one way to do that. I was just thinking about having the power to... Good enough. Oh, that's crunchy sounding PLA. Cool. This is very exciting. There's like a little protector sleeve as well, but we don't need that where we're going, so. Centered as I want it. There we go. Jesus fucking H. All right. Stay. Cool. Pop that seal. And we'll use this. My new toys I got recently enough. I'm gonna do a whole video on it, but never did. Pretty sure it's a 50 thou top of keyway. More than likely. Yes. Grab the F-me pick. Nice open keyway. We're going to use this nice deep flat hook here. Let's see if I can get this here. Lock the focus. Let's see what we're picking with. actually. I redact. I forgot. It's been a while since I've done a keyway. We're going to go with... Actually going to go with this little short hook. Let's see if that works better for me. And if I remember right, I think these things have spool pins in them, but... Come on. Ah, here we go. So hit pin 1, got a nice fault set. Ooh. And other than me picking it the wrong direction, I got it picked. And, cool. Apparently, apparently I bricked it as well, or tried to brick it. There we go. How good? Pretty good. It seems like I picked it the wrong way. Let me try that one more time. Picking it the right way. Very high set pin in number 1. Come on now. Ah, there it is. Got it. Yay. I'm sure the key actually does work. I didn't actually try it. But there you go. Nice Brinks deadbolt that's got at least 1 spool in it. Maybe 2. Couldn't really tell on that second trip. But anyway, thanks for watching.